Now, the book. Let's see the book, page 22. Page 22, the first text. So, if just about she, the, na, you understood lesson 4, finished. Let's see. Okay, the first dialogue, who want to read? Okay.
他是我的汉语老师，他叫李伟。
Good. Look. 他是谁
Who is she?
Yes. Oh, 他是我的汉语老师。
She is my teacher.
Yeah, she's my Chinese teacher. 他叫李月。
His name is Li.
Yes, his name is Li Yue. Easy, finished, right? Easy, finished. Yes. And any questions?
No.
No question. Now, next page. Page 23. Number 2, who read? Okay.
你是哪国人？我是美国人。你呢？我是中国人。
Thank you. Translate, please. 你是哪国人？
Which country are you?
我是美国人。
I'm from US, United States.
Yeah. 你呢
Or what about you?
Yes, 我是中国人。
I'm Chinese.
Finished, right? Question?
It says,
We don't learn Nina.
Okay. Thank you. I like you to ask questions. Means you really are studying. Okay, now let's talk about this one. 你呢 Okay, this one, I give a name for this one. I call it lazy question. So when you are lazy, you use this one. What do you mean? So look, means the same, means the same question. You are lazy. You just say 你呢 means and you? How about you? For example, 你叫什么名字？我叫 Linda. Yeah, 你呢 means how about you and you? Actually, you should say 你叫什么名字 You are lazy to make a long one. Then you just say 你呢 Understand? Another question, another one example say, okay, with many friends, okay, say, 你要喝什么 Say, 我要咖啡。你要喝什么我要水。So many people say, 你呢 Like this means and you, right? Yes.
in the first dialogue, it says, Tasha Lee Ray. But the translation says her name is Lee Wei. That's a bad translation, correct? That's what you mean. Don't translate it.
Yes,
That's
don't
bad.
translate. Yes. So the book, later you will see more. Many translation, mama hu, so, okay? So the translation, you don't follow. The translation just give you the idea what they are talking, the meaning. Follow Chinese.
So this is she called.
Yes, she is called. Yes. That's why I say, if you translate, always complicated, right? Yeah. So the English, you can read, so give you understand, let you understand what the meaning for the dialogue. But when speak Chinese, we follow Chinese structure. Okay, very good. Okay, number 3, who read? Yeah.
他是谁？他是我的同事。他呢？他是你同事吗？他不是我同事，他是我朋友。
Thank you. Translate.
他是谁？Who is she? I'm Christy. 他是我的同事。He is my classmate. 他呢？ About her. About her. 你同学吗？ Is she your classmate? 她不是我同学 She's not my classmate. She's my friend.
Good, thank you. Okay, here, picture, look. So there's one person, right? So now I want to talk about him. So say, 他 what? 他是谁? So he is who? 他是谁? So, 他是我同学 He's my classmate. Then say, there are two. 他呢? Lazy question. 他呢? How about her? Here, repeat, say, 她是你同学吗? So, she is your classmate? No, she's my friend. 她不是我同学，她是我朋友。Finished, easy, right?
Yes.
Understand? Any question?
Yes. And B is correct to say 他是我的同学。
Yes. Our this class, you all like PhD or whatever. That's why so many questions. But all the question is good question.